that could really last forever. What about me? What about me? What about me and you together? Something that could really last forever. All my friends wanna be her best, and I begin to wonder why. I guess that I'll be lying to myself. Just do the part to be dumb enough to reject it one for oh what and off and out 2, 2, 10, 1, 5. So but hour can change your life. Friends saying oh what a night, what a night. What the fuck is a girlfriend? I'ma need advice. Maybe I should go outside so I could get a fucking life. I made friends and she spent the night. Now I'm in love and she reimagined my life. Back in East Coast in Europe, I'm needing children on my emotions. I can't get hurt again. I want them, they always decide. And I had no time to prepare to face my fears. I guess that it's time that I dry these tears. But if I could just be happy by the end of this song. But if by the time you could, you were already gone. And it didn't go to plan, then what should I continue in this life? When there's no one around to be the one. So far, everything good. So far, everything crowded decision makers. That's so